Hi, Ed Akehurst. I am back with the Genius Pages tutorials. In this tutorial, we're going to create a new site and show the basic things that you can do inside there. So what you'll do, make sure on the top navigation bar you're on Sites, and then on the right-hand side, click the green Create New Site button. And inside here, there will be several things that you'll be able to see. Across the top, you'll have different views. You've got mobile, tablet, and desktop. Up here, you've got your framework view and your component view. You've got a preview view, although there's nothing to view right now, so I'm not going to click it. If you've made any changes where it says nothing to save up here at the top, you can click that and save it. And you can go back to older versions if you've saved older versions. Up here on the down arrow, you'll be able to set settings for the site and the page and exit the builder. These functions we'll cover in another video. Over on the left, you have blocks, which are your main building blocks. You'll even see here on the right, it says build your page by dragging blocks onto the canvas. You'll start with those. We'll do a video on those. Components are things that are found within blocks, headings and buttons and things. I'll do a video and go through those. You can have multiple pages. I'll show you how that works in another video. And you have a section for pop-ups. This is when someone comes on the page and some activity happens and a pop-up pops up before they leave. It encourages them to take some action or that reminds them of something. So that is the section. That's what you'll see when you create your site and log in, and we'll cover other aspects of what you can do in here in other videos.